Hey guys, sorry I haven't posted a video in a while. I had a lot of shit going on and I actually had a bunch too. Anyway, today is a video of this piece of shit weed whacker. Or weed eater, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Weed trimmer, whatever. The problem with this is that, well, first off, I bought it from my friend. I'll give you some history. I bought it from a friend for $10. I managed to get it running, but as you can see on these grooves, I had someone do those grooves for me so I could turn it with a flathead screwdriver. Those are the fuel and air adjustment screws. I was messing with them, but I set them back to the factory default setting, where they're straight and everything. You can tell where it, where to, I can't say a line. Yeah, where like it lines up with the grooves on the case piece itself. However, but like I've been having trouble with, today whenever I decided to try and start it, I realized whenever when I open a case and I take that off, you see in there that there's a bunch of nasty oily buildup. And whenever I tilt the weed eater and you look in there, you guys can see all that nasty gooey shit in there. Here, see that? That's some buildup right there. Let's turn that. And I know you guys can't see it, but there's a lot of buildup in there. And you guys can see on my hands this oily, shiny, greasy shit. Anyway, so I'll try and start it with one hand. I doubt I can, but I'll try it, and hopefully, and I'm hoping you guys can see what it sounds like. I hope I don't fucking pull the weed eater off to the side or something with this compression. But that's what it sounds like. Here, I'll put it on 2. Which is half oak. I can't give it any gas and hold the camera at the same time, but yeah, you guys see the thing. So my guess is that I have to replace the carburetor, because I've already cleaned this thing like 8 times or something. It's really fucking crazy. I'm very tired of cleaning these weed eaters. I had a piece of shit feather light. Hang on, sorry guys. Sorry. I was trying to put the cover piece back on. But yeah, I've had a feather light FL20 weed eater or whatever. It was a piece of shit. Anyways, yeah, I hope you guys can comment on this video if anybody watches it. Maybe if you guys know anybody about weed eaters, or if you know anything, please do comment and tell me what could be going on. Like I said, I've already adjusted the screws here. I've already cleaned the carburetor. Nothing works, and it won't idle when it does start at all. Alright guys, anyways, watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.